What if smartphones disappeared tomorrow? Imagine this, you wake up tomorrow morning and your smartphone is gone. Not just yours, every smartphone on earth has vanished. No buzzing notifications. No apps. No calls. No camera. Total digital silence. What would happen next? How would you live? How would the world react? Let's dive into a future where smartphones no longer exist and explore how it would shake the very core of our daily lives. For most of us, smartphones are our main link to the world. Without them, communication would rewind by decades. We'd return to landlines, payphones, and handwritten letters. Instant messaging and video calls? Gone. Social media would collapse overnight. Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Twitter erased in a flash. People would start showing up at your door to talk. Families might actually gather at the dinner table without screens between them. But businesses that rely on quick replies, remote work, and customer service apps would struggle to survive. Billions of dollars in global business would come to a grinding halt. Food delivery, ride-sharing, e-commerce, banking apps, all gone. Startups and industries built around app usage would crumble. Tech companies would lose their customers in hours. Influencers? Out of work. Mobile game developers? Gone. Digital marketing agencies? Vanished. Stock markets might dip. Panic could set in. And yet, a strange calm might begin to take over. Without smartphones, we'd slow down.
Really slow down. We'd read more books, talk to our neighbors, and look up at the sky instead of down at a screen. Attention spans might improve. Relationships might deepen.
Children would go outside to play. Commuters might look out the window instead of scrolling endlessly. Mindfulness and real-world experience could make a comeback. But the question remains, are we ready to disconnect? Education would change overnight. No more online classes, educational apps, or virtual schools. Everything would go back to chalkboards and printed textbooks. In emergencies, the lack of mobile alerts could be dangerous. Governments would struggle to send quick warnings or instructions. GPS would vanish, leaving millions lost, literally. We'd need to rebuild a system we left behind decades ago, fast. Smartphones have transformed how we live, work, and connect. But what if they disappeared tomorrow? Would the world fall apart? Or would we finally start paying attention to the world around us again? Tell us in the comments, could you live without your smartphone? Subscribe to Mind Voyager AI for more what-if stories that bend reality and spark your imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and ring the bell for weekly episodes.